Suffering arises from attachment. The path to liberation is finding peace within oneself. Happiness does not come from following every whim of the mind. Happiness comes when the mind is kept calm. Don't dwell on the past. Focus on the present. It is in the present that peace can be found. Extinguish the fire of anger. Forgiveness is the greatest strength. To break free from the cycle of suffering, one must understand the Four Noble Truths. Life is filled with suffering. Suffering has a cause. Suffering can be ended, and there is a path to ending suffering. To find peace within oneself, one must follow the Eightfold Path: right view, right intention, right speech, right action, right livelihood, right effort, right mindfulness, and right concentration. These 8 steps pave the way to liberation. We are shaped by our action. Our thoughts, words, and deeds all contribute to shaping our future. Therefore, we must control ourselves with mindful thoughts, words, and actions. Compassion and empathy are the core of all religions. Showing kindness to all living beings is the true practice of religion. There is no enemy outside a person. The enemies are the inner anxieties, anger, doubt, and ego within one's own mind. True peace can only be found by conquering these internal enemies. Practice compassion, give generously, and live an ethical life. Build your path to liberation upon these 3 core principles. I am not the giver of your liberation. I am merely showing you the way. Your own efforts and practice on the path to liberation will ensure your success. Be your own light. Don't rely on others. Learn from others, but also respect your inner wisdom. Life is a journey. The journey itself is more important than the destination. Savor each movement and never stop learning.